Hello guys, in today's video we are going to insert audio files inside HTML document using Notepad text editor. So get started with the HTML syntax. For inserting audio files inside HTML document, we have audio tags. Now let's save our incomplete HTML document. Select the file menu from the top left corner and click on save option to save your file. You also can use Ctrl+S shortcut to do the same thing. Here, in this pop-up window, we have to choose a path to save our HTML file. Let's select desktop and we have a folder called HTML here. Let's save our HTML file inside this folder. Now we have to give a file name for our HTML file followed by .html extension so our browser can understand the file type and render the HTML file as a HTML document. Here, audio is my file name and .html is my file's extension. Now click save. Our HTML file is saved successfully. Now we can run our saved HTML file inside our browser. To run the saved HTML file, just go to that location where we just saved our HTML file. Here, select your HTML file or audio.html file and double click to run in browser. If your file isn't opening in your browser, then right click on that file and select open with option and select any browser from there. Now our HTML file is running in browser, but this HTML page is blank. Because to insert audio file inside HTML document, we have to give a audio files path so our browser can get the audio data from the given path and insert audio in HTML document. To assign audio files path, we have to use audio tags src or source attribute inside the starting tag after the tag name. Because my audio file is present inside the same folder where my HTML file is, so I have to give only the audio file's name with the audio files extension. But if your audio file is present at different directory or path, then you have to give full path of your audio file with the file name and the extension. To get the full path of any file, just right click on that file and select properties. Under the security tab, select the whole path and right click and copy that path. Then go back to Notepad and paste here the full path of your audio file. But our audio file and the HTML file is present on the same directory, then we don't have to give the full path here. Now save our HTML file and refresh your browser. Still no change. Because our audio file is present in the browser, but there isn't anything that can play or activate the audio file. To control the HTML audio elements data, we have control attribute for that. We just have to write the control attribute inside the audio tag's starting tag anywhere after the tag name. Now again save the HTML file and refresh the browser. Now we have few controls like play button, audio files duration, seek bar, audio mute toggle button, audio sample. Hey, thank you so much for visiting our website programminghead.com. Actually, these control totally depends on your browser. So you can get more or few controls depending upon the browser you are using. But that's not it. We are using .mp3 file in this example, but not all the browser supports the .mp3 MPEG audio files. This can be a problem to play the .mp3 audio file in every browser. But we can fix this by assigning multiple audio files with different file types, so all browser can easily play our audio files. To do that, we are going to assign multiple audio files using multiple source tags. So browser can pick one supported file and give output without any problem. Here we have to assign our audio files encoding type using type attribute inside the starting tag after the tag name. So our browser can easily detect the encoding type, and also after the source tag we can write a error message. So when browser supports none of the given audio types or audio files, it will show that written comment or line like browser not supported. So thank you so much for watching this video.